cream for ice cream.
What do you do?
Ice cream for ice cream. Ferris wheel. Ferris. I don't know why they call it that, but it's gonna be very exciting.
Here we go. Happy hipsters crashing the Miller's date.
Yeah.
And Sarah's too.
Hey!
You guys have to say hi.
Hi!
It's for the vlog.
Date night.
With us.
Selfie time.
So cool. I want to stand.
Don't stand. We're crashing a date right now. And we're all taking photos.
Crashing a date.
The selfie generation.
Ice cream.
It's a vlog. You have to move.
Hi.
There we go. Lydia. This is going in the vlog. Bad parking.
You've got like 4 feet.
A little bit more.
I'm just kidding, not 4.
Probably think it's nighttime right now, but guess what? It's actually like, we can't even see Shalom. No, blanket. Blanket. It's actually like 5:30 in the morning and we're gonna go watch the sunrise.
Sun.
It's cold.
It's cold, kind
I
of.
haven't had coffee yet.
No coffee in.
No, look at my hair. This looks like no coffee hair.
No coffee hair. This looks like a no coffee face.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this morning, we're so excited that we're gonna be taking some photos of some surfers.
We know them.
They're
They're not like random people.
They're not random. No, yeah. I'm making an introduction.
Okay, sorry.
Paul John and Alex Luke. So we're just hanging here with them. And we also have Galen playing guitar.
Yeah.
Nice ambiance. You know how important ambiance is to change your life.
Not a real sport.
It's a real sport.
It's definitely a real sport.
We're gonna rent something. It's gonna be surprising.
It's a surprise.
We're gonna surprise all of you.
No one knows.
With our video. We need the money.
This is the most important part of any excursion. So hype. I'm like so hype. So you get one of these, still get one. I'm scared.
Don't hit the cars.
I don't feel,
Do you want to switch? Do you want to switch?
No, I trust you less.
Wow. Don't hit the truck. Hit him. Hit him. Hit him. Bye.
So like, Courtney's not really tall enough to ride the bike.
I'm not.
She's very sad.
My legs are, I'm on my tiptoes.
Wow.
Those are my toes.
I'm tall enough.
Oh? Well, like a foot tall.
Doing good. We're flying along the boardwalk at approximately 2 miles per hour.
Okay, well, we're going past those people.
Ooh, we're passing some people. This is good. We're doing good. Good.
Oh my gosh, you guys are going so fast!
Alright, you guys are judging the sandcastle competition. Breaks down like this. Each grade is a team, so there's 4 teams, each with a lot of manpower, or woman power.
That's right.
So you 3 are judging it. You're judging it on 3 qualifications. First, creativity. They bring their artistic bent to it. 2, scope. Something creative that's bigger is better than something creative that's smaller. And 3rd, execution. It needs to look good. The little touches matter, you know? Each one of these is shells, living contributions, things like that. Like how those things are executed matter. It doesn't just slapping the most stuff that you can on. All right?
Yes.
Awesome.
We can do it.
Woo!
Final judgment call not yet, but
Ooh, I'm
liking this because it's
all
gonna
of
have
the girls.
shark fin.
Okay. We know what we're doing, Cassie.
There's lots of arguments.
Sometimes the best projects come out of discourse.
So you guys are getting bonus points. What are you guys making?
It's a surprise.
No, you have to tell me for the vlog.
It's panther,
What's that gonna be?
an octopus. They're battling.
They're bad.
Oh,
They're bad. That's hilarious.
Just
I like
stood
that.
A shark?
Big A, go hang out with your own group.
Wait, I think Pete chose shark on purpose. He's like, I have an idea and I picked the judges.
So, Lydia, what's it gonna cost?
Now! Results. Sophomore. 4th place with one of the most bogus rulings I've ever heard is juniors.
What? No!
3rd place is the turtle by the freshmen. 2nd place, the sophomore boat. 3rd place, seniors.
Where are we going?
Lost City. We're going somewhere Courtney doesn't want to go, but she still loves us, so she's letting us do it anyway.
Okay, let's go. Guys, right hand against the wall at all times. Me out because like I'm facing forward right now, but I'm facing sideways. Like, look. Is this real?
I thought it wasn't. What's real? I walked out here. The guy came out and said, "Be careful." I kept going like, "Oh, that's here," and I've been going like. This is how you tell if something's real. Courtney, no.
Don't do that.
You guys are real.
Oh my god! I don't know why that's there.
Ahead of me. We thought this was you.
I know, that's why it is you.
I thought I was over my fear of birds, but
turns out she's not.
Back and stronger than ever.
That was one of the most terrifying moments of my entire life.
My heart is racing and I want to cry.
I can feel it on my head still.
I'm gonna cry. Yeah, 100%. You're not allowed in the vlog. I'm in the vlog.
We're glad we don't have to ride the bus this year.
Lydia is being nice and driving Rachel everywhere. And buying her a bunch of
Guess
food.
how much money I spent this weekend? $1.
All of my money.
Thanks for the coffee. And thanks for Courtney paying for everything else. Okay, Shalom, where are we going?
We're going home.
We're going home.
We're going to bed.
What was your favorite part of the weekend?
But like, I liked everything. I like taking photos. I actually really like taking photos. I've never.
Lots of fun and games. Heading home exhausted. 120 kids. It was great. If you want to know why we're here and what we're doing, check it out in the description. Yeah. See ya.